He opened a box of dehydrated feces, added water, and turned it into sludge. Then every few steps he placed a lump of it, covered it with a potato, and watered it. 2 months later, on this cold and lonely Mars, a small green sprout broke through the soil, a symbol of life. These potato sprouts would become his hope for the next 3 years. As the only human left on Mars, he had to use every resource in the base to survive until the next Earth supply mission arrived. And now that food was temporarily solved, water became the biggest problem. Inside the base, not only did he need drinking water, but the potato field would require a huge amount as well. After thinking through the night, Mark, being both a botanist and a mechanical expert, came up with a good solution. He connected a tube to the spacecraft and extracted 300 kilograms of fuel. With the help of a catalyst, he separated out large amounts of hydrogen. Then he connected another tube to bring it into the planting area. He lit wood shavings and successfully ignited the hydrogen. Soon, the first drops of liquid water on Mars began to form. Clearly, Mark miscalculated one thing. The oxygen he exhaled would disrupt the balance between oxygen and hydrogen, causing the hydrogen to suddenly explode. But humans excel at learning from mistakes. After rearranging the setup, Mark suited up and walked toward the ignition device. This time he wore his space helmet. Without extra oxygen interfering, his water-making system finally worked smoothly. After a night's sleep, the film in the grow room was covered with droplets of water, and the dry soil was finally nourished with life. Everything in the base was moving in a better direction. Mark even began planning his escape 3 years later. The next landing site for the science team was 3,200 kilometers away, and Earth still had no idea he was alive, so when they arrived he would need to reach them as fast as possible. Just as Mark was planning, back on Earth, NASA was holding his memorial service. While everyone believed he had died during evacuation, a NASA engineer checked satellite images and was shocked to see the rover had moved. It looked like Mark might soon get a rescue from Earth. But will life on Mars really stay stable? Stay tuned for the next part.